Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor at Wyzant answering this question submitted by a student. And this is a bread and butter question from Algebra 2. We want to basically divide 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 14. X minus 2, we want to divide that by x minus 1. And we're going to use synthetic division. So here we go. You just make a little box like this, and you put over here 1. So this is our factor. If x minus 1 is a factor, then positive 1 would be the 0, right? Because 1 minus 1 would produce 0. So we put the 0 here, and then we just put up the coefficients. So 2, negative 9, 14, negative 2. Guess I made that line a little too long. Put it back in there. So you bring down the leading coefficient, which is 2. Then 2 times 1 is 2. You add them, so you get 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Add them, you get 21. 21 times 1 is 21. Add them, you get 19. So 19 is our remainder. I like to put a box around it like that. Let me just check it again. 2, oops, that's a negative 7. And that's a negative 7. So let me go back and fix this. Fill the sign errors. Okay, so let's do this again. 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7. So negative 7, that's 7. 7 times 1 is negative 2. So the remainder is 5. So now we can write it out. It's going to be 2x squared minus 7x plus 7 plus 5 over x minus 1. So this is telling us that 1 is not a 0, because when you plug 1 into this equation, you're actually going to get the remainder, which is 5. So I'll show you how that works. You're going to get 2 minus 9 plus 14 minus 2, and that's going to be 5. So you get, turns out that the remainder is the value of the function when this is plugged into the function. So for example, if 1 were a 0, when you plug it in, you'd have a remainder of 0, but here you have a remainder of 5. So this is just telling us that when you plug in 1, you're going to get a 5 up. You're going to get a 5 as a remainder, but you'll also get a function value at 5. In other words, f of 1 is equal to 5. So there are a lot of things to know about this. I assume that you're really, at this stage, you're just concerned with the mechanics of how to do synthetic division. There's really a whole lot of background and related information that's tied to this, but we're just going to stick primarily with a discussion on the mechanics. Hopefully you can see what to do. You just bring down the leading coefficient, put that in, then add, and then add again, and then add again, and you're all set. And that's really all you need to know right now. But there, as I said, this is part of a larger body of work that you'll be studying pretty soon in Algebra 2. Okay, that's it for this one. See you again next time. Bye-bye.